Alright guys, so in this one we have 3 ducks. So we add duck 1, duck 2, duck 3, it will give us 30. Then we have 1 duck plus 2 donkeys, that will give us 20. Then we have 1 duck plus 2 cows plus another 2 cows, which is 4 cows, is equal to 9. So we have to find 1 donkey multiplied by duck minus our cow. Anyone with the answer for us? Anyone with the answer for us? So guys, anyone with the answer for this particular one? So we have 3 ducks, that will give us 30. Then we have 1 duck and 2 donkeys, that will give us 20. So we now have 1 donkey and 4 cattle or 4 cows, that will give us 9. So we have to find 1 donkey multiplied by 1 duck minus 1 cow. That's anyone with the answer here? Let's challenge our brains. So the answer here is 49. 49 is the answer over here. If you do the calculation, 49 is the answer. All right. Let's do this one. So here we have 1 rabbit plus 1 turtle or tortoise, that is equal to 50. Now when we have the rabbit minus the turtle, that will give us 30. So what is the rabbit multiplied by the turtle? Okay, so guys, what is the answer? Anyone to give the answer in the live chat? So what is the value for the rabbit multiplied by the tortoise? Okay, so let's look at it together. So the rabbit plus the tortoise is equal to 50. So we can say let X be the rabbit, then Y be the tortoise. So we have X plus Y is equal to 50. X for the rabbit, Y for the tortoise. Now X minus Y is equal to 30. Are we okay? So we have two equations there. So if we add rabbit plus tortoise is equal to 50 and rabbit minus tortoise is equal to 30, we can see that the first tortoise and then the second tortoise will cancel out. So we have 2 rabbits is equal to 50 plus 30. That will give us 80. So that means that 1 rabbit is equal to 40. If 1 rabbit is equal to 40, it means the tortoise is equal to 10. So 40 in the first equation, 40 which is for the rabbit plus 10 which is for the tortoise, that will give us 50. And then 40 which is for the rabbit minus 10 which is the tortoise will give us 30 for the second equation. So the final question is saying what is rabbit multiplied by tortoise, and that is 40 multiplied by 10, that will give us 400. So the answer here is 400. So question number 3, the answer is 400. 400. That is the question number 4. The answer is 400. Okay, guys, engage with me. Let's solve this problem together. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. So over here, we have a rabbit plus a fox is equal to 35. The rabbits and the fox is equal to 35. Now the rabbit minus the fox is equal to 25. So what is 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox? Now if you look at the question we have to find, we have 2 rabbits there multiplied by 1 fox. So anyone with the answer for me? Who can solve this challenging IQ test question? 1 rabbit plus 1 fox is equal to 35. The rabbit minus the fox is equal to 25. What is 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox? Any answer for us? Okay, so we have here 1 rabbit, so let the rabbit be X, then the fox, let it be Y. So the rabbit plus the fox is equal to 35. Now the rabbit minus the fox is equal to 25. So if we have that, we can really represent everything here as X plus Y is equal to 35, then X minus Y is equal to 25. So we have 2 equations. Now out of these 2 equations, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, we will then have 2 rabbits is equal to 60. So the fox and the fox in the first one and then the fox in the second one will cancel out. So we have 35 plus 25, and that will give us 60. Are we okay? That will give us 60. If that is 60, then 2x is equal to 60 because 2 rabbits is equal to 60. So it means that 1 rabbit is equal to 30. So 1 rabbit is equal to 30 here in this question. If 1 rabbit is equal to 30, if we put the 30 back into equation 1, it means that the fox is 5. The fox is 5. So the rabbit, which is X, is 30. The fox, which is Y, is 5. So that means for equation 1, the rabbit 30 plus the fox, which is 5, is equal to 35. And then the second equation, the rabbit, which is 30, minus the fox, which is 5. 30 minus 5 is 25. Now, we are asked to find 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox. 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox. Now, 2 rabbits will be 2 multiplied by 30. That will give us 60. Multiplied by 1 fox is 5. So 60 multiplied by 5, that will give us 3,000. So this question number 4, is 3,000. So the fox here, fox, let me start with the rabbit. So the rabbit is 30. The rabbit is 30 and the fox is 5. So 2 multiplied by the rabbit, so 2x y will be equal to, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 30 for the rabbit, then multiplied by 5 for the fox, and that will be equal to 3,000. Okay, so that is our answer for this particular one. All right, let's move on and look at the next one. Let's look at the next IQ test question. Please, let's solve the question and leave the answer in the live chat as quickly as possible. Okay, over here we have 2 green books, 2 yellow books, plus another 2 green books. So basically we have 4 green books plus 2 yellow books is equal to 50. Now we have 4 red books in the equation 2. 4 red books plus 1 green book is equal to 34. Then we have 3 red books plus 1 yellow book is equal to 23. So we have to find 1 yellow book multiplied by 2 red books multiplied by 1 green book. So guys, what is our answer? Guys, what is our answer? Anyone to give us the answer over here? 4 green books plus 2 yellow books is equal to 50. Then we have 4 red books plus 1 green book is equal to 34. Then we have 3 red books plus 1 yellow book is equal to 23. So we have to find 1 yellow books multiplied by 2 red book multiplied by 1 green book. Guys, let's leave our answer in the live chat. Any answer for us? Guys, are we solving? I'm also solving. I'm also solving. Okay, so after solving, this is what I'm getting. One red book is giving me 6. That is what I am getting. So the red book is 6. The yellow book is 5. The green is 10. So let's look at it. What it means is that for equation 1, the 4 green books there, one is 10, so it's equal to 40. The yellow books are 5, 5 each, so that will give us 50. Now the red is 6, so we have 4 over there. 4 multiplied by 6, that will give us 24. And then one green book is 10, so that will give us the 34 we have over there. And then from there, we have 3 red books. The red are 6, so 6 times 3, that will give us 18, plus 1 yellow book. We are saying the yellow book is 5, so 18 plus 5, that will give us 23. So our answer, which is the yellow book, 1 yellow book, the yellow book is 5, multiplied by 2 times the red book, so 2 times 6. So we have here 2 times 6, then multiplied by 1 green book is 10. Are we okay? So the 2 red books will give us 12. 1 yellow book is 5. So we have 5 times 12 times 10. Are we okay? So 5 times 12 times 10. 5 times 12 times 10. And that will give us 600. That will give us 600. Are we okay? So I am getting 600 as my answer over here. So the red book is 6. The red book is 6. Then we have the yellow is 5. Yellow book is 5. And we have our green book is 10. Green is 10. So the green, and green is 10. Are we okay? So therefore, yellow plus 2 into brackets plus 2 times red plus 2 red multiplied by green, it's multiplication. So 2 yellow multiplied by multiplied by 2 red multiplied by green will be equal to, this will be equal to 5 multiplied by 2 into bracket 6 bracket close multiplied by 10. Are you okay? And this will be equal to 600. Are you okay? So that is our answer. Our answer here is 600. Are we okay? All right, very good. Let's proceed to look at the next one. So this is the next one. What are we having? So over here we have 2 apples plus a pear is equal to 18. Then we have 1 apple plus 2 pear plus 1 leaf is equal to 18 again. Then we have 3 apples plus 1 pear plus 2 leaves is equal to 23. So we have to find apple multiplied by pear plus apple. Okay. So who is going to give us the answer to this one? Who is going to give us the answer to this one? Guys, please let's like the stream and let's give our answer in the chat. Anyone to give us the answer? Any answer from us? Anyone to give us the answer? Guys, anyone to give us the answer? Anyone to give us the answer? Guys, any answer from you? Any answer from us? Guys, if no one is going to give the answer, then we'll move on to the next question. Okay, so we have the next question. Anyone to give us the answer? IQ test. IQ test. Anyone to give us the answer? So we have 3 watermelons is equal to 27. Then 2 watermelon and 1 pear is equal to 24. 2 watermelon and 1 avocado is equal to 24 rather. So 2 avocado and 1 kiwi is equal to 10. So we have to find 2 watermelons plus 1 avocado minus 2 kiwi. So that is the next question that we have. So anyone to give us the answer? Anyone to give us the answer? Any answer from us? Okay, so Simon is saying 20. Okay, Simon is saying 20. Anyone else? Okay, so Simon, you are correct. You are correct. Okay, so we have 3 watermelon is equal to 27. So it means 27 divided by 3, and that will give us 9. Now we have 2 watermelon plus 1 avocado. We know that the watermelon is 9. So 2 is 18. So 18 minus 24, that will give us 6. So it means the avocado is 6. And then we have 2 avocado minus 1 kiwi is equal to 10. So we know 1 avocado is 6. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12. So what minus 12 will give us 10? That is going to be 2. So the kiwi is 2. So 2 avocado is 18 plus Two watermelon is 18 plus one avocado, which is 6. So that will give us 24 minus 2 kiwi, which is 2 multiplied by 2. That will give us 4. And the final answer is 20. Yes, so Simon, you are correct. All right, so let's move on to the next question. Simon, please try your hands on this question. So Simon, this is the next question that we have. Try your hands on it. Okay, so Simon is saying football is 6. Obviously, football is 6. I agree. So football is 6. I agree. I agree. So Simon, what do you have for the wall clock? So Simon, select one. Is it 7 or 8? Okay, so the watch is 7. So Simon, you are right. The watch is 7. So don't use 8 o'clock as the watch. Just use watch. Okay. So the watch is 7. Okay. Then the boy is what? The boy is 5. Are you sure? Simon, are you sure? So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5. Okay. 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 So what next? So what is the final answer? Simon, I agree. The boy is 5. So the football is 6. The wall clock is 7. And then the boy is 5. So Simon is saying everything is 37. Okay, so we have the boy in the middle is holding a ball. You need to know that. So the boy in the middle is holding a ball. The boy in the middle is holding a ball. So the boy plus the ball will be 11. So just the wall clock alone is 7. Then plus the boy holding the ball, the boy plus the ball will be 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7, that will give us 12. Then multiply by the football, which is 6. So our answer is supposed to be 12 times 6 plus 7. Simon, are you sure? The boy is 5 plus the ball, which is 6, and that will give us, yes, 11. I agree. So 11 times the ball, which is 6, that will be 66, plus 7. That will give us a total of what? 73. So you are correct, Simon. Correct. 100%. Simon, you are very good. Yes, so it's 73. I agree. 73. Very good. Let's look at the next one. So this is the next one that we have. So here, someone is saying, after this, I have to sleep. There is uni tomorrow. No problem, Simon. No problem. We'll continue tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow. Way too complicated. Are you sure? Okay, so if that is complicated, then let's look at the next one. No, it is not 10 plus 10 plus 6. Because if that is the case, if you look at the second one, then it means one ball plus the white ball plus the red ball should give you 16. Okay. So let's do the complicated one like you said. So I'm coming back to that one. So Simon, what I will say do is that represent, yes. So represent the white ball with, let's say, X, represent the red ball with, let's say, Y, and then represent the multicolored ball with, let's say, Z. So Simon, I'm saying represent the white ball with X, so that would be 2X plus Y is equal to 26. So the two white balls is 2X plus the Y will be the red ball, that will be 26. We are solving it together. No. You solve it as simultaneous equation. Okay, involving 3 variables. So the second one, you have the multicolored ball. I'm representing that with Z plus the red ball, which is Y, plus the X, that will give us 16. And then the X, which is the white ball, plus the Z, that will give us 14. So we have 3 equations over there. So what I'm doing is that I am making z the subject in equation 2. So if I do that, z will give me 16 minus y minus x. So if I put that, so I can have x. So from equation 2, we can get x plus y is equal to 16 minus z. So if we put it into equation 1, we'll have x plus 16 minus z is equal to 26. So x minus z is equal to 26 minus 16. So x minus z is equal to 10. Are we okay? And we also have x plus z is equal to 14 as equation 3. So if I add that, x minus z is equal to 10. If I add the 2, I'll get 2x is equal to 14 minus 10. That will give me 4. So x is equal to 2. So the white balls are 2. The white balls are 2. Yes, x minus z is equal to 10. Exactly. Exactly. So the white balls are 2. So if the white balls are 2, then it means from the first equation we have 2 plus 2 plus y is equal to 26. So it means 4 plus y is equal to 26. So our y is equal to 22. Yes. So y is equal to 22. Now if y is equal to 22, then let's find z. So where can we get our z? So we know that x minus z is equal to 10. So z will be equal to x minus 10. So z is equal to, our x is 2 minus 10. So z is equal to minus 8. Yes, so z is negative. That is what I am getting. So what it means is that the second one, the white ball, which is 2, plus the red ball, which is y, 22, that will give us 24. And then 24 plus the z, which is negative 8, then that will give us 16 exactly. So our answer, yes, negative 8, that is correct. So if you look at it, we have the white ball minus the red ball. So the white ball, which is 2, minus the red ball, which is y, 22, divided by minus 8. Minus 8 is the multicolored one. So the top 2 minus 22 will give us negative 20 divided by negative 8. So the negative will cancel out. So our answer will be 20 divided by 8, which is 10 over 4, which is 5 over 2. So I am getting 5 over 2. I hope you get it, Simon. 5 over 2. That's my answer. Simon, are you also getting 5 over 2? So this one, you solve it as simultaneous equation involving 3 variables. No. So this one, you see, what you do is that you have 2 minus 22 at the top over there, then all divided by the negative 8. That is what I did. But if we are going with board mass, it means we have to do the division first. So that would be 22 divided by -8. That will be giving us point something. So what I did at the top is that it will be 2 minus 22 all divided by -8. Okay, if you are doing that first, 22 divided by -8, what are you going to get? So 22 divided by 8, that will give us decimal. It will give us decimal. Are you okay? That will give us 2.75. Yes. So that 2.75 plus 2, which is the x, sorry. So that will be, remember there's 2 minus then 2.75. So your answer will be 0.75. Okay, so the negative I've already cancelled here. So you are getting 4.75. No, you are right. Yes. All right. Good. Yeah, so the negative are supposed to cancel out. Remember, the y is just 22. The y is just 22. So 22 divided by -8, that will give you -2.75. So it will become 2 minus 2.75. So it will become 2 plus 2.75. So your original answer 4.75 is right. So it's supposed to be 4.75. You were right. Yes. Simon, you're welcome. So now it's late, so I'll end. There's one question left, but because you said you have to get ready for you need tomorrow. I'm from Ghana and it's 10:25 p.m. It is 10:25 p.m. It's actually late. It's very late actually. I also have to go to work tomorrow. It's actually very late. All right, so this is the last question. I think this one is very easy. So 3 emojis. So obviously from that, one is 25, the laughing emoji. Okay, so 25, then 2 tennis balls. So it means the tennis ball will be, yes, please, let's do this one. This is the last one actually. Yes, the tennis ball is 5. The tennis ball is 5. Yes, the football is 4. the football is 4. So it is 4 plus the tennis, which is 5, multiplied by the laughing emoji. You are getting 129. Okay, so that will be 5 multiplied by 25 for the emojis. So that will give you 125. Then plus the 4, and that will give you 129. Yes. Very good. Yeah, Nico Mason. Yes, Nico, you are not done. The 9 multiplied by 25 is just for the tennis ball and the laughing emoji. Okay, first. Very good, very good. So the 9 multiplied by 25 is the tennis ball and the laughing emoji. So add the 4 to it, which is the football, and that will give you 129. Nico, do you have the 129? Okay, very good. Nico also has the 129. That is very good. All right, so let's look at the next question. So Simon, I will see you tomorrow. Nico, let's continue. Okay. So Nico, this is what we have. Simon, bye. Bye, Simon. Nico, please try your hands on this. So Nico, what are you getting for the tennis? Okay, tennis is 15. Very good. So what are you getting for the football? The tennis is 15. What are you getting for the ball? So Nico, we have the tennis plus 2 football. So it will be 61 minus 15. Whatever you get divided by 2 to get the ball. So what do you have for the ball? Nicole, are you there? Yes, Nicole, the 2 balls are 46. So 1 ball is what? So divide the 46 by 2. Remember, the last answer, you only have 1 ball over there. So you need to find the value for 1 ball. So the 2 balls, yes, very good. It's 23. 23. Now we have 2 bats plus 1 ball is equal to 237. So what are you getting for the bat? So now we have the tennis. The tennis is 15. We have the bat. The bat is sorry, the ball is 23. Now let's look at the bat. Okay, so the bat is supposed to be, so let's do it together. Let's see. So the bat is supposed to be 237 minus the ball which is 23. So 237 minus, that will give us 214. So 240 divided by 2, that will give us 107. So it's not 106.5, it is 107. So it's 107 each. 107 each. Yes. So now that you have 107 each, let's find the last one. So what is the answer to the question? What is one tennis ball, which is 15, plus one bat, which is 107, plus one football, which is 23? $145, correct. Correct. You are correct. Nico, please like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue if you are still up for it. We have more questions. Let's look at them. So this is the next one. Okay, Nicole said done. Okay, she's probably tired. Okay, she's okay. So Nicole is saying the dark is 10. Okay, very good. Nicole, the dark is 10. True. The darks are 10. Very true. The cow is 5. Very true. That looks like a donkey. The dark plus the spot. Okay, yeah, you're saying spotted cow. Okay. No, see, Nico, the spotted cows, there are two each, so it is 4. So it is 1 cow plus 4 spotted cows. So the spotted cows will be 1 each, because the donkey, which you are calling the cow, is 5. So the spotted cows are two each. So that is total of 4. So 1 spotted cow is 1. Please, do you get it? 1 spotted cow is 1. Yes, very good. So 1 spotted cow is 1. So you now have the cow, which is 5, multiplied by the dark, which is 10. Whatever you get, minus 1 for the spotted cow. So what are you getting? So finally, it is 49. Very correct. Very correct. Excellent. Excellent. Now let's look at the next one. So we have rabbit and a tortoise. Rabbit plus tortoise is equal to 50. Rabbit minus the tortoise is equal to 30. So what is the rabbit multiplied by the tortoise? So rabbit is 30. Okay. That nope, 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 nope. Nicole, you are not correct. If rabbit is 30 and then the tortoise is 20, the first equation is correct. But let's look at the second one. The rabbit minus the tortoise should give you 30. Let's see. So 30 minus 20 cannot give you 30. Nicole, are you getting me? The second equation, the rabbit minus the tortoise should give you 30. But we can have 30 minus 20 giving us 30. So no. So here you have the rabbit plus the tortoise is equal to 50. You have the rabbit minus the tortoise is equal to 30. So you add the first one and then the second one. So you have two rabbits. The positive tortoise minus the negative tortoise in the second equation will cancel out. So that will be equal to 50 plus 30. That will give you 80. So 2 rabbits is equal to 80. So 1 rabbit is 40. So the rabbit is 40. Rabbit is 40. And the tortoise is 10. No, 45 and 5 will not work because 45 minus 5 is not equal to 30. It's equal to 40. So look at the second equation. The rabbit and then the tortoise. The rabbit minus tortoise. So 45 minus 5 will not give us 30. It will give us 40. Please, do you get me? (45 minus 5 will not give us 30. Look at the second equation. Rabbit minus tortoise is equal to 30. So here you are supposed to add everything you have, the first equation and then the second one. You are supposed to add the two of it. No, the final answer is not. It is 40 times 10, which is 400. So the final answer is 400. Yes, exactly. Max, you are right. So the final answer is 400. The final answer is 400. Nico, please, do you understand? Oh, okay. Right, right. I think, yeah, you were adding. That is why you were getting that. Okay, so let's look at the next question. So here it is similar as what we just did. The next question is very similar to what we just did. So here we have 1 rabbit plus a fox is 35. Then the rabbit minus the fox is 25. So we have to find 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox. So Nicole and Max, let me know what you have for the rabbit, let me know what you have for the fox, and let me know what you have or 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox. Don't forget that the final question, you have 2 rabbits over there. You can see 2 rabbits. 2 rabbits. Okay. Max, the 150, is it for the rabbit or for everything? Max, what are you getting for rabbit? What are you getting for the fox before you are giving 150 as the total? Okay. Yes. So Max, Adelena is saying 300. I'm also getting 300. I'm also getting 300. Okay. Because yes, yes. So 30 is for the rabbit, 5 is for the fox. Are we okay? So 2 rabbits is 60 multiplied by 5, and that will give us 300. So yes, the answer is 300. Very good. Yes, Lena, you are right. Lena, you are right. Very good. So let's look at the next one. This one is a little bit complicated and it will take some time. So Nicole, Delena, Max, let me see what you have for this particular one. So this one is going to take a little bit of time. So we have 2 green books plus 2 yellow books plus another 2 green books is equal to 50. So we have 4 green books plus 2 yellow books is equal to 50. That's for the first equation. Then we have 4 red books plus 1 green book, that is equal to 34. So Nicole is saying one green is equal to 10. I agree. He say yellow is equal to 15. Are you sure? Green is 5. Nicole, please take your time. Take your time. because yellow is rather 5. Yellow is rather 5. Green is 10. Yellow is rather 5. Guys, let's like the stream. Green is 10. Yellow is 5. And then you find the red. Then Lena, what do you have for me? Max, what do you have for me? This is a little bit complicated and a little bit involving, but that is what IQ tests are for. Yes, Nico, red is 6, exactly. So red is 6, yellow is 5, green is 10. So what is your final answer? No, Nico, look, we have yellow multiplied by 2 red multiplied by green. So yellow is 5, the 2 red is 6, so 2 is 6. Yes, so the answer is 600. So 600 is correct. So 600 is correct. So 600 is correct. Are we okay? So let's have a look at another one. So before we go, the other guys, the learner and then Max, are you there? Do you have the same thing Nicole is having? Okay, so let's solve this one. This is the next question. So this is what we have. We have a buffalo plus a lion is 15. The buffalo minus the lion is 3. So we have to find the product of the two. Oh, Nicole, before you go, solve this one and then you go. Solve this one, the last one, and then you can go. Anyone to give us the answer for this one? We have to find 2 buffalo multiplied by 1 lion. The learner is saying 54. Yes, you gotta take that back. The 54 is wrong. So what do you have for the lion? What do you have for the buffalo? And then the last one, you have 2 buffaloes multiplied by 1 lion. So Nicole is saying buffalo is 13, lion is 12. Are you sure? Nicole, are you sure? We did something similar. Here you add the equation 1 and equation 2. So buffalo plus buffalo, the positive lion minus the negative lion. Yeah, so the buffalo is 9. Correct. The learner, the buffalo is 9. You are correct. So if the buffalo is 9, what is the lion is 6. Very good. The lion is 6. Very good. So what is 2 buffalo multiplied by 1 lion? So what is 2 buffalo multiplied by a lion? The learner, so you have 1 buffalo is 9, so 2 is 18. So you multiply the 18 by what you have for the lion. Yes, so it is 108. You are correct. You are correct. 100%. You are correct. All right, so let's have a look at the next one. Let's have a look at the next one. So this is the next one. So we have E plus E plus E is equal to 15. So obviously E will give us a value. Then C will give us a value. And then B will give us a value. Okay, now we have to find B plus C multiplied by J. We don't have any J, so there is a mistake with the question. So please, in place of J, let's put E there. In place of J, let's put E there. The learner, are you hearing me? In place of J, let's put E there. So it is B plus C times E. The learner, are you with me? Yes. So in place of J, put E there. The J is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be E. So B plus C times J. Sorry, times E. So in place of J, put E there. Guys, please let's not forget to like the stream. Like and subscribe. Who has the answer for me? The E plus E plus E is obvious that the E is 5. That one is obvious. Yes, so the answer is 17. You are correct. The answer is 17. You are correct. You are very right. Elena, please try this one. I believe we solved this one already, if I'm not mistaken. So let's do a different emoji one. So let's do this one. Oh, okay, you are saying not you. Okay, so let's look at that one. All right, so let's look at this one. So Delena, let's do this one. So we have 3 smiling emoji is equal to 75. So you are getting 129. So it means that the smiling emoji is 25. So here the tennis ball will be 5. Yes, the smile is 25. The tennis ball is 5. Okay, and then the football, we have 13 over there minus 5. Okay, so what do you have for the ball? It's supposed to be 4. Very good. The ball is 4. So the smiling emoji multiplied by the tennis, that will be 25 multiplied by 5. So 25 times 5, that will give us 125. So 125 plus 4, that will give us 129. So you are correct. You are correct. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Another emoji ones. So here we have three crying emoji. I agree. So it is 20 multiplied by 18 plus 3. I agree. So 20 multiplied by 18, that will give us 360 plus 3, that will be 363. Is that what you also get in the learner? 363. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Just bear with me. I'm going to get a new one, a new question for us to try our hands on. So this is the next one we have. So the learner is saying 21. So what did you get for the pineapple? Yes, the total is indeed 21. Yes. So the pineapple is 4, the orange is 10, then the watermelon is 7. So if you add 4 plus 10 plus 7, that will give us 21. Very good. Very good. Very good. So let's look at the next one. Yes, I agree. I agree. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Now this looks very complicated. Elena, do you want to do this or we should change it? It looks very complicated in my eyes. No need to try. It's too complicated. Let's look for something that we can do easily. So let's try this one. The previous one is going to take a lot of time and it's very late. So let's do this one. 3 apples equals 30. Okay, so Delena, let's do this one and then we'll go back to that one. Don't worry, we'll try it. So over here, it's coconuts plus apple plus banana. The plus sign is missing at the question. So coconut plus apple plus banana. So Delena, what do you have for this one? And then we go back to the previous one and try our hands on it. You are getting 15. I am getting 16. The apples are 10. Okay, the banana is 5. Delena, the banana is not 5. I got 5 for the banana instead of 4. I am getting 5 because 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 10, that will be 18. So it means the second equation is not right. Oh, I get it. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. That is a very tricky one. Thank you. Right, so you are right. It's 15. So yes, your answer is 15. The answer is 15. That's 100% 15. Okay. So let's look at the previous one before we run away. All right, this one. So let's try this one. It looks very complicated. I'm going to have to do a lot of calculation here. Elena, are you on it? This is a tough one. This is a tough one. Yes, this will take time. It will take a very long time. So let's look at much simpler things. Let's look at much simpler things. Okay, so let me quickly grab one easy one for us to solve. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. This is 236. So 11 plus. Okay, so here we have 3 rackets at the top. That will give us 33. 2 basketball and 1 racket, that is 17. Then the bowling ball with 2 basketball is 16. Okay, so this is the last question for today. Elena, are you still with me? If yes, what do you have? No, forget the number 6 on it. Don't count that. Forget the number 6 on it. Because I think there is 6 on that and 6 on the basketball as well. But let's forget the writings on it. Let's just go with the images. Yes, I forget it. Don't count it. Yes, so I agree. It's 71. All right. Very good. Very good. So Delena, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. You join, you stuck with me all throughout. We will continue tomorrow. Nicole as well. Thank you so much for sticking with me all the way till here. Simon also joined before leaving. Simon, thank you as well. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow. Due to time, I have another stream called Shacking Hour before this one. So the Shacking Hour is from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So this one starts at 9 o'clock GMT. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow 9 o'clock GMT. Okay, I might also be streaming these IQ test questions during the day. I've not decided the time yet, but if you want to be notified when I'm streaming, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so that once I go live, you will be prompted so that you join. We have more IQ test questions coming your way, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye and thanks. So the learner, bye bye. I'll see you around. All right, so the learner is saying, thanks, I enjoyed the time here. I screenshotted the difficult one and we'll try it later. Please do. I'll also do that. Are you okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Awesome. So, awesome. Good night, bro.